Alright, today we got spark plugs on a V6 Toyota Sienna. Alright, these are the tools we're going to be using. I got a snap-on magnetic spark plug socket. I'm going to try out the VIM spring-loaded universal on it. Some Capri mid-length impacts. Also got my Koken spark plug socket for installation. A little more gentle. I always go in with a ratchet, and then I'm going to use the Koken for installation. Snap-on ratchet, Matco ratchet, just in case got breaks on them by hand. I got some snap-on and Matco double offset box, snap-on regular ratcheting wrenches if I need to use a wrench. Wiper arm puller, just in case the wipers are stubborn. Trying out my new Koken trim tools. OEM parts, of course. Nipex twin grips. Snap-on LN47 ACFs, DeWalt 3/8 stubby, and my Snap-on 3/8 long reach. And that's pretty much it. Really all you need for this job. You got to remove the wipers, remove the cowl, take the intake manifold off. I always start with the rear because it's a little bit, not necessarily difficult, but time consuming. And then, yeah, let's get into it. It V6 spark plugs, 16 Sienna. Sometimes the intake manifold can be kind of a pain in the ass with those brackets it has back there, so I like to loosen the one up top to get that one off. Toyotas are notorious for these clips breaking off on the spark plug coils too. You can just put a little zip tie in there, pull it tight, you'll hear it click. Excuse me, clip the rest. These are the old plugs, so he was due. He's right at 120,000 miles. Yeah, all in all, it's pretty easy job if you know what you're doing. Like I said, the intake manifold brackets can be kind of a pain in the ass, but other than that, it's pretty straightforward. Your cowl off, manifold off. I always do the rear first because more time consuming, and then the fronts are just gravy, just boom, boom, boom. But yeah, there you go.